Graduated with a degree in environmental science and biology. And while I was taking those classes at West Texas, I took a hydrology course, and I loved, I really understood groundwater and loved it. And that was really the turning point for me. In September 1 of 1997, we started a company called Talon LPE Environmental, which is the LPE portion of Talon LPE now. And so it was myself and two other guys here in Amarillo. We'd worked for a company that had filed bankruptcy. We were working for some clients that had underground storage tank sites in the Texas Panhandle. And those clients liked what we were doing for them. And so when we started Talon LPE, they chose to come with us. Very, very humble beginnings. Our first landlord had a stockpile of furniture in the basement, and he told us we could have whatever furniture we wanted. That was the bone pile, and we had one inkjet printer that we would share amongst us all. There was no network, there was no nothing. Talon LPE Environmental in 1999 realized that 70% of our project cost was drilling. And so we created a company called Talon Drilling. So Talon Drilling was for the claw going down. So in 2004, Talon LPE and Talon merged. We were doing environmental consulting, and we were doing, the majority of our work was for underground storage tank sites, convenience stores, truck stops, things like that. And anytime a tank is removed and we find contamination either in the soil or the groundwater, we would have to do additional assessment. And additional assessment would include monitor wells or soil borings. Talon LPE at that point went to being able to provide our own drilling services. The next phase would be to have engineers on staff. The next phase would be able to have the construction crews to install the remediation equipment. With the vertical integration that Talon LPE has now, 90% of any project can be completed in-house. As we continue to expand our services, expand our regional presence in different offices, I think Talon will be here not for 20, but for, I look forward to our 50th anniversary.